Vanakkam friends, as we expected that markets are in sell on rise mode. It has been in sell on rise mode and there was a massive fall on Friday because of that new variant of COVID which has been found. So let's see how we can expect markets to perform during next week, upcoming week, in the sense 29th November till 3rd December. Okay, we have already seen that India VIX has raised above 17, 18, 19 and now it is quoting above 20 in fact. Here it is more than 20, which means the intraday volatility will be minimum 300 points. Minimum 300 points, maximum it can go to 350 to 400 points. This is how Nifty will be performing during VIX is above 20. Also, if you have seen Singapore Nifty on Friday, it has closed 161 points in downside, which is 16,882. So we are expected to have a gap down opening on Monday. And there are some news floating across some media channels saying that the new variant of COVID has been found in one case at Bangalore. So this will add more fuel to the power of bears, and we will break down on the break down the supports, and probably we can move towards much lower levels as and when VIX is also keeping on increasing. So VIX is always considered as a fear factor, fear gauge, or whatever we can call. So based on the increase of VIX, the markets will be declining. It is actually speaking, it is inversely proportional to markets. So now let's discuss where we can expect Nifty to take some support. Already last week we have told that Nifty has broken below 50 SMA and it has closed below that particular level, and there was further slide. Now it has closed below the 100 moving average. After the massive fall on Friday, it has closed below 100 moving average. Now the technical support next lies only around the 20 moving average. 20 moving average is way far below this, below current price. It is currently at 16,080 levels. This maroon line is the 20 moving average. 16,080 levels is the current 20 moving average. Gradually, this 20 moving average will keep on rising for next couple of days, and at the same time Nifty will keep on dropping down. At some point they will coincide each other. So for example, in next 1 week or 10 days, Nifty could raise, the 20 moving average could raise a bit and it will come near 16,200, 16,400 levels. During that time, Nifty will also be gradually in between that time, Nifty will also be gradually dropping and it will test that 200 moving average at one point in time. We are not sure whether it will happen during next week, but going forward it will definitely happen, because closing below 100 moving average is not so good for bulls. There is a minimum, minor support which we can expect on Nifty around this particular level. This gap area, when it gets filled, it will be 16,730 odd levels. So somewhere near 16,730 odd levels, we can expect a minor support in Nifty and there will be a minor up move towards 17,000 or 17,100 levels, which will get sold into again. Okay, definitely Nifty is not going to move up without testing its 200 moving average. And remember, December is a 5-week series. 5-week series always have some strange moves on either direction, and it will be having a trend changing uh, move during its third week, most probably during its third week. So in that case, if first 2 weeks we are seeing a fall in Nifty, we can expect a rise in Nifty from third week onwards till expiry. By this 2 weeks time, whatever which I said earlier, this 200 moving average will keep on increasing and Nifty will keep on declining, and they will come into a common point at one go. Definitely it will happen. Okay, so be cautious during next week, and until VIX goes below 18 again, it is wise or safer to avoid trading. And even if you are a compulsive trader, try to trade by taking hedging positions, like one call and one put. So that way someone will say any one of the position will save you. You might be ending up with less profits, but you will not lose your capital. This is how you need to trade for next week especially. So as per Singapore Nifty, we are expecting another 150 points down, and to add further more pressure to that, we have another one case which has been identified in Bangalore with the new variant of COVID. These, because of this, the fear factor, which is VIX, will also rise probably above 22. If it is rising above 22, the range will be becoming 400 points. The minimum which I said for 20 is 300 points, and if it rises above 22, minimum it will raise 400. Raise or fall. The range, the high and low range will be 400 points. So stay cautious. If there is a drop towards this area which I have said earlier, 16,729, try venturing a long trade with 17,000 call. I am saying deep out of the money call because VIX is higher, the volatility will also be higher, and even if you take, don't wait for huge profits because the move will be very fast. Within a flicker or within few minutes or seconds, you will see a sharp up move of 100 points in Nifty, and then sudden fall of 120 points in Nifty. So use the timing and take 17,000 call, book small profits during next week. That is the very good and ideal trade if you are a Nifty trader. Stock specific, it will react based on news. So better avoid stock specific. If you are very confident on your analysis about the particular stock which you are analyzing, then go for it, or else please avoid. I would suggest either to stay away or to trade very less with hedging hedging your positions on both the directions, so that your capital will be saved. This is only for the compulsive traders. If you want to be a safe trader and uh, play safe in markets, better try to avoid and just observe whatever is going on in markets. Why? Because markets will give you enough opportunities to make money. It is not necessary that you need to make use of the 300 point or 400 point volatility and then make money. To be honest, let me agree that many of my Nifty and Bank Nifty calls during last week has gone for a toss. Either it has hit stop loss, or some the hero or zero calls which we have traded has gone to zero. Okay, even the calls which would have hit the stop loss, it has given a small move of 20-30 points if it is bank nifty, or if it is nifty it has given a 15-20 point move and then it has fell down to hit our stop loss. That is the kind of volatility which we are seeing. So hence trade cautious and stay safe in this markets. Okay, if you are a newcomer, just subscribe to our channel and stay connected with our channel. Definitely you will be getting these kind of videos every weekend, wherein we can forecast the market move of the upcoming week well in advance. Along with this, I will add all our Telegram channel links in the description of this particular video. You can join our Telegram channel as well, wherein we will post our daily calls or daily updates about markets, which will be very much helpful for you. So stay active as well as stay safe in this markets. If you want to avoid markets, it doesn't mean you need to completely switch off your system and then go away. If you are interested in watching the markets, you can watch, but trade only if you are a compulsive trader, or else stay safe. The one which I am suggesting you right now is, if market nifty dips towards 16,729 levels, take this 17,000 call. 17,000 call, the last tick was 177, but when it moves to 16,700 levels, definitely this will be coming below 60 or 50 rupees, 60 rupees kind of stuff. So 60 rupees is hardly 3,000 rupees is the risk which you are taking, and if you get even 30 points out of it, it will be 50% returns for you in a single trade, where we can happily square off the trade instead of waiting for 200-300 points on the higher side. Thank you all. Bye guys.